Technological Trends in Aviation. Welcome to our exploration of the latest technological trends in aviation. Today, we will look into various aspects, including premium economy, digital security systems, airport robots, biometric entertainment, taxis in the sky, low-cost airlines, upgrades to business class, and green airports. We will also discuss the inline baggage screening system, and innovations in the passenger boarding process. Introduction, State of the Industry and Global Economic Outlook. The aviation industry is a dynamic and rapidly evolving sector, integral to global connectivity and economic growth. Despite facing challenges such as fluctuating fuel prices, geopolitical tensions, and the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, the industry continues to innovate and adapt. The global economic outlook for aviation remains positive, with increasing passenger demand, emerging markets, and advancements in technology driving growth. As we navigate this landscape, it is crucial to understand how technological trends are shaping the future of air travel. Premium economy, meaning and the rise of premium economy. Premium economy class has emerged as a popular option for travelers seeking a balance between affordability and enhanced comfort. Positioned between economy and business class, premium economy offers additional legroom, wider seats, improved meal options and priority boarding at a higher price point than standard economy. The rise of premium economy is driven by several factors. Firstly, it caters to a growing segment of cost-conscious travelers who desire extra comfort without the high cost of business class. Secondly, it allows airlines to differentiate their product offerings, attracting a broader customer base and increasing revenue. Lastly, the increasing number of long-haul flights has amplified the demand for a more comfortable travel experience, making premium economy an appealing choice for passengers. Digital security systems. Digital security systems are revolutionizing the way airports manage security and streamline passenger processing. These systems leverage advanced technologies such as biometrics, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning to enhance security measures and improve the overall passenger experience. Biometric technology, including facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, is increasingly used for identity verification, reducing the need for physical documents and speeding up the boarding process. AI and machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to detect suspicious activities and predict potential security threats. Additionally, digital security systems integrate with other airport systems, providing real-time updates and ensuring a seamless flow of information. Robot helpers in airports. Robots are becoming an integral part of airport operations, assisting with various tasks and enhancing the passenger experience. These robot helpers are designed to perform a range of functions, from providing information and directions to carrying luggage and cleaning. Information robots, often equipped with touch screens and AI capabilities, can answer passenger queries, provide flight information, and offer directions within the airport. Luggage robots assist passengers by transporting their bags, reducing the physical strain on travelers. Cleaning robots ensure that airport facilities remain hygienic and presentable. By automating these tasks, robots help improve efficiency and allow airport staff to focus on more complex duties. Biometric entertainment. Biometric technology is not only enhancing security but also revolutionizing in-flight entertainment. Airlines are exploring the use of biometrics to personalize the entertainment experience for passengers, tailoring content to individual preferences and creating a more immersive experience. For example, facial recognition technology can identify passengers and customize their entertainment options based on previous selections. Biometric sensors embedded in seats can monitor passengers' physical and emotional states, adjusting lighting, temperature, and entertainment content to enhance comfort. This level of personalization enhances passenger satisfaction and sets airlines apart in a competitive market. Book a taxi in the sky. The concept of urban air mobility, or taxi in the sky, is poised to transform urban transportation. Companies are developing electric vertical takeoff and landing, (IVTOL), aircraft that can transport passengers quickly and efficiently over short distances, bypassing ground traffic congestion. These air taxis, operated by autonomous or semi-autonomous systems, offer a convenient and sustainable alternative to traditional ground transportation. Passengers can book flights via mobile apps, similar to ride-hailing services. Urban air mobility has the potential to reduce travel times, reduce traffic congestion, and decrease pollution, making it an exciting development in the aviation industry. Low-cost airlines, meaning and growth. Low-cost airlines, also known as budget or no-frills airlines, offer affordable air travel by minimizing operational costs and providing basic services. These airlines focus on efficiency, typically offering a single class of service, charging for extras, and utilizing secondary airports to reduce fees. The growth of low-cost airlines has democratized air travel, making it accessible to a broader population. Their business model relies on high aircraft utilization, quick turnaround times, and streamlined operations. As a result, low-cost airlines have expanded rapidly, increasing competition in the market and driving down airfares. Last-minute upgrades from economy to business class. Last-minute upgrades from economy to business class offer passengers the opportunity to enjoy premium services at a reduced cost. Airlines often release unsold business class seats closer to departure, allowing economy passengers to bid for or purchase upgrades. This practice benefits both passengers and airlines. Passengers can experience the luxury of business class without paying the full fare, while airlines can maximize revenue from premium seats that would otherwise remain empty. The introduction of mobile apps and online platforms has made it easier for passengers to access and secure these last-minute upgrades. Green airports introduction, meaning, and advantages. Green airports are designed and operated with sustainability at their core, minimizing environmental impact and promoting eco-friendly practices. These airports implement various measures to reduce energy consumption, manage waste, conserve water, and lower carbon emissions. The advantages of green airports are manifold. They contribute to environmental conservation, enhance public health by reducing pollution, and often result in cost savings through efficient resource management. Additionally, green airports set a positive example for the industry, encouraging other airports to adopt sustainable practices. Inline baggage screening system. The inline baggage screening system integrates security screening into the baggage handling process, streamlining operations and improving efficiency. This system uses advanced imaging technology and automated conveyors to inspect checked baggage without manual intervention. Inline screening enhances security by providing a comprehensive and consistent inspection process. It also speeds up baggage handling, reducing wait times for passengers and minimizing the risk of mishandled luggage. By automating screening, airports can allocate resources more effectively and improve overall operational efficiency. Passenger boarding process. Innovations in the passenger boarding process are aimed at reducing congestion, speeding up boarding times, and enhancing the overall travel experience. These innovations include automated boarding gates, biometric verification, and streamlined boarding procedures. Automated boarding gates use biometric data to verify passenger identities, allowing for quicker and more secure boarding. This reduces the need for manual checks and shortens boarding times. Additionally, airlines are experimenting with different boarding strategies, such as boarding by seat zones or groups, to optimize the flow of passengers and minimize delays. In conclusion, technological trends in aviation are driving significant changes across various aspects of the industry. From the rise of premium economy and advancements in digital security systems to the biometric entertainment, these innovations are enhancing the passenger experience and improving operational efficiency. The development of urban air mobility, the growth of low-cost airlines, and the practice of last-minute upgrades from economy to business class are reshaping how we travel. Greener airports are setting new standards for sustainability, while innovations in the inline baggage screening system and passenger boarding process are streamlining airport operations. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, embracing these technological trends will be crucial for meeting the demands of modern travelers and ensuring a sustainable future for air travel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest developments in aviation technology.